Hi everyone, Nadine here, stitching and crafting just for you. So, welcome to my sewing space. It's in progress. So, you can see my sewing machine and everything. Okay, so guess what? I really want to bring something to your attention. So, I used to keep my threads in one of these drawers, and oftentimes when I go to get the thread, I'm always like knot up and confused. And I said, sure, what the heck? I need to be more organized. So I have this partition, you see right here. I bought this partition and it has so many holes. It has so many holes in it. And guess what? I said, you know something? I need to get some sticks to put in the holes to hold my threads. So what I did was to go by Walmart. It's close by, so I got there and I asked about the sticks. Nobody knew what I was talking about. It sound, you know, what's the word, whatever. So I said, okay, do you have thread holders? And a young man showed me the thread holders in the sewing section. So I was looking at the thread holder and I like to feel the strength of things, so I hold it and I was like feeling the strength of it, and it got broken. It broke. I said, God, am I gonna pay for this? Do I have to pay for it? They said, okay, no, you're fine. So I said, okay, I'm looking for something to hold my threads. So I described the partition that I have, which is like, you know, that is right there. So I said, okay, I need some sticks that can go through the holes. And they said, okay, I know what you're talking about. So the young man showed me where the sticks are. So I got some of those. I think it's Doyle or whatever. It has a name. Forgot the name. Anyway, I got the sticks, and what happened was that after I got the sticks, I came home and I said, okay, I tried them. Couldn't. It was the sticks were so small. I had to take it back and I got a bigger size. So that's a bigger size. So I had to come and I cut them up in pieces and stick them in the hole and make sure, I cut them the same length, stick them in the hole and make sure that it is firm enough to hold my threads. So I took out all my threads from the wall, from the drawers, and there you have it. And that's my thing. It's what I'm saying. So you have to be creative when you're doing this stuff. What do you think? Look at my wall. Look at my thread holders. Look at them. Look at my threads. So you feel so good. Creativity. When you're creative, you think of anything, like everything is possible. Yes, when you're creative, everything is possible. All right, so this is Nadine, stitching and crafting, and my sewing room, our sewing space it's in progress. So, yeah, I'm far away from where I started. I'm very close to where I want to go compared to where I'm coming from, and I'm so thankful. As you can see, I have so many notions and tools and stuff on my wall. So everything's falling into place and I'm very, very grateful. All right, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching for listening, for watching. I appreciate you. Support my craft, Nadine Stitching and Crafting, just for you. All right, I'm located in Hampton, Lovejoy area, Georgia. So don't be afraid to send me a message. Sewing alteration. I sew actually everything for the home. I'm trying to start my business because it's just the only thing I can do right now. Just work for myself. I love doing this thing that I'm doing. I love my craft and I'm getting there. So please support me. You won't regret it. I do excellent work. Check me out. Check out my work. All right? It's always peace. All right? Thank you.